friends. Welcome to Adventure Time with Alex and Mia.
Hi, everyone. I am Mia. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about dinosaurs.
Let's go, Mia.
Follow us, friends. We are going to World of Dinosaurs.
Wow, look at that. That's a Brachiosaurus. Did you know they were as tall as a 5-story building?
Yeah, and they ate plants. Brachiosaurus had long necks to reach leaves high up in trees. They were like giant giraffes.
Cool. Look, Mia. It's a Triceratops. They had 3 horns and a big frill to protect their necks.
And they used their horns to defend themselves from predators like the T-Rex.
Pause the video and tell Alex and Mia, how tall was a Brachiosaurus? As tall as a 2-story building, as tall as a 5-story building, as tall as a 10-story building. Well done. Yeah, you are right. It's as tall as a 5-story building.
Whoa, there it is, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Did you know T-Rex means Tyrant Lizard King?
T-Rex was a carnivore, which means it ate meat. It had sharp teeth and could run really fast to catch its prey.
But even though T-Rex looked scary, they were also caring parents. They took care of their babies after they hatched from eggs.
Woohoo! Are you ready for question time? What did T-Rex eat? Meat or plants or fish? Wow, you are so smart, yeah. It eats meat well done.
Hey, Alex, did you know that not all dinosaurs were huge? Some were as small as chickens.
Really? That's awesome. And some dinosaurs had feathers, like birds. In fact, scientists believe that birds are the descendants of dinosaurs.
Fossils help us learn about dinosaurs. They're like clues from the past. Paleontologists are the scientists who study them.
I want to be a paleontologist when I grow up.
Me too. Imagine discovering a new dinosaur. That would be amazing.
Are you ready for another question time? Who are the scientists that study fossils? Astronomers or botanists or paleontologists? Ha 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 ha, well done. Once again, you are right. It's paleontologists who study fossils. Fossils are ancient remains that help scientists learn about dinosaurs and life from millions of years ago.
Thanks for joining us on our dinosaur adventure, friend.
We had so much fun learning with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye, friends. See you next time on Adventure Time with Alex and Mia.